Question 14, it says 3/8 of the 96 adults in the McGregor clan are less than 150 centimeters tall. Draw a diagram to represent this statement. Well, if I'm drawing a diagram, I guess since it's a percentage, or 3/8, excuse me, a fraction, I'm going to use my standard fraction. Now those are quarters, and if I divide quarters in half, I get eighths. So really what we're looking at is 3/8. Now if all of this together, if the whole thing equals 96, I want to know how much these three parts here equal. Okay. How many adults in the McGregor clan are less than 150 centimeters tall? Show your work using equivalent ratios. All right. Well, is there a ratio there to begin with? Well, if I think of 3/8, that's just a fraction because it said 3/8 of the 96 adults in the McGregor clan are less than 150 centimeters tall. 3/8 in and of itself is a ratio. It's a part to whole ratio. So if we start with that ratio and say 3/8, and this would be, the bottom number represents the whole thing, or the whole, and the 3 represents the part, right? That's what a fraction would be, part to whole. It says 3/8 of the 96 adults. So what would that be? If 96 adults are in the clan, would that be part of my clan, or would that be all of my clan? And the answer is it's all of my clan. So I can actually put it in as the second term of my equivalent ratio. So I've now set it up as equivalent ratios. 3 parts to 8 whole equals I don't know to 96 whole. And now we have to figure out, well, 8 times what is 96? Or what did I increase? What did I increase 8 by to get 96? And the answer is I multiplied it by, well, if I multiplied it by 10, I get 80. Multiplied by 11, I get 88. Multiplied it by 12, I get 96. So the answer is I multiplied it by 12. So therefore, to keep it equivalent, I do that to the first term as well, and I get 36 out of 96. Now that should be those that are less than 100. So there's 36 less than 150 centimeters. That's the world's worst 150. And there therefore are 60 that are greater than 150 centimeters. All right. That would be the answer for C. And I did that by taking, if those are the ones that are smaller, if I subtract that from the total group, I get 60. And that's your answer for question 14.